Hi everyone. This is a team of faculties and instructors from Amrita Technologies, and we are going to give an overview of who should be doing DO288. DO288 talks about building and deploying cloud native applications. And this cloud native application building and deploying is part of app modernization. The overview and the outline of this course talks about how you deploy a simple applications, how you build and publish container images, how do you deploy multiple container applications, and how the workflow is managed using OpenShift pipelines. Now, to talk a brief on app modernization, the story starts from traditional monolithic applications to the microservices. The monolithic architecture is tightly coupled, wherein order management, payment services, catalog services were tightly coupled into one component, and the maintenance and overload to the Linux administrators or the system administrators was impacting the 24 by 7 uptime of an application. And this led to the app modernization, where a single unit of monolithic application has been broken down into microservices. When the application was broken down into microservices, then they needed a platform to deploy the microservices. And that resulted in deploying microservices onto Docker engine. Once we had that, it was missing the orchestration tool. That's where the orchestration tool called Kubernetes filled the gap. And OpenShift Kubernetes Enterprise Platform filled the gap of building an image, deploying it, and scaling and resilience. And OpenShift is a platform as service which provides languages, frameworks, runtimes, and databases. It automates the application lifecycle management right from the build, deploy, and roll out and retire. All right. Who are Amrita Technologies? We, as an Amrita Technologies, collaborated and partnered with Smart Interns and IBM Corporation to facilitate an experiential learning for academia and industries. We also conduct facilitated IBM Buildathon. It is a unique initiative launched by Smart Interns in collaboration with IBM Global University, and it was exclusively to help the faculty and educators to upskill their talent. And Amrita Technologies facilitated the training. All right. And who are the audience for this course? Anyone uh, who was part of Linux administration, middleware engineering, automation engineers who takes care of automating Linux boxes and deployments, DevOps engineers, and site reliability engineers. And what's the outcome of this is they would be able, as an individual, uh, they would be able to design the container images to containerize the applications. They would understand different ways to build, deploy, and manage containers. And they would be able to deploy multiple containers applications. They would be able to implement health checks to improve the system reliability and resilience, create and run automated pipelines for continuous delivery. Thank you all. Thank you for attending this session.